CoinDataFlow forecasts Polygon to lose 6% by May 16. First up, here's what the price is showing at this moment. As of this recording, Polygon has dropped by 4.5% over the past 24 hours and is trading around at 9 cents. Here's today's set of expert forecasts. CoinDataFlow expects the chart to show at 9 cents tomorrow, down by approximately 6%. Polygon may weaken toward a 9 cents per coin price forecast, showing a decrease of about 0.2%. According to Gulf Capital Collector, it might approach at 9 cents, a rise of approximately 2.3%. A separate analysis by Digital Coin Price suggests Polygon could climb to a 9 cents, roughly 4.1% up. Finally, Crypto Predictions aims for an 10 cents by tomorrow with a rise of 9.1%. This is the best return scenario we covered. That wraps the 5 expert views. Let's go ahead. Let's sum up what all 5 analysts expect based on their forecasts. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a decline of 6% and a rise of 9.1%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out Crypto Predictions will deliver the highest return with 9.1% increase in value by May 16. So it turns out you might see gains of between $2 and $91 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Coin Price Forecast's forecast shows the highest probability of accuracy at 85.1%. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've shaped a combined view of the market. The consensus baseline sets Polygon close to a 9 cents. Here's what the breakdown shows. The consensus projection shows the price up by about 1.8%. This suggests your capital might also grow by roughly 1.8%. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $18 gained. The chance of this consensus scenario occurring is assessed at approximately 71.9%. Moving on, let's explore how analysts expect the price to behave in the next 3 days. CoinDataFlow highlights that Polygon could slide lower. A flat outcome is projected by Coin Price Forecast, with the market moving without strong conviction. Gulf Capital Collector signals the price is moving on to higher ground. Similarly, Digital Coin Price projects a climb for Polygon across this period. Additionally, Crypto Predictions suggest the short-term path is upward. The consensus highlights that Polygon may gain strength in the short term. According to the gathered forecasts, 80% of analysts expect Polygon to advance in the near term. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's see how accurate they turned out. As a result, the verified closing price was at 9 cents. The majority of forecasts turned out correct in this case. In terms of accuracy, the winner was Coin Price Forecast. Now let's break it apart. Yesterday's trading session contained 3 forecasts inside the range. In terms of ROI, everyone gained this time, and 30 rates topped the board with 7.4%. This is the complete summary. All forecasts verified and compared. As seen in today's data, Crypto Predictions delivered 6.4% ROI and 6,437,780,831 accuracy. Take a closer look and decide who was the most accurate. Let's see how tomorrow's forecast-based returns vary between Polygon and several others. Polygon ranks lower while Dogecoin holds the lead at 3%. In this section, Polygon is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A wider comparison can already be found on my website. That's the end of today's update. If this helped you, please like the video. It's the best feedback you can give. Take it easy. See you next time.